What's going on, everybody? Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and we're up on another one of these daggone mobile homes. I'll be honest with you, it was a Mexican crew. I gave them a price on the roof. I guess my price was kindly high because I was going to give them a good job. Somebody else gave them a cheap price because they were going to give them a crappy job, and that's what they got. And I'm going to show you around on this roof of just a few things that we've found so far. Start with this.
High nail. Right off the bat.
Yeah, it's not where it's supposed to be.
That nail there, I never pulled out.
Wow.
Same thing with that one.
What's going on here, Paul? Oh, see? That's a leak. Look, Paul. They didn't go underneath their boot.
Yep.
They did not go under the boot. Look, the boot's right there. Paul? That's supposed to be underneath the shingle.
Look.
Oh my God, the whole pipe boot is under the roof. It's not even counter flashed.
Nope.
Are you kidding me, Paul? Nope. Oh, they do something so stupid. My goodness. All right, so yeah, let's look at this bottom one. Look what they did down here. This is a brand new roof, guys. Brand spanking new roof, and they put these pipes on it and they caulked all around them. The reason why they caulked around them was because of this. Watch what you're gonna see as I lift these shingles up. Well, I can't lift that one because it's stuck to it, but look. Do you see that pipe boot does not go under? Anything? Look at that. Are you kidding me right now this second? That's insanity. Look at that. They nailed it right through here. This is supposed to go under the pipe, and now we got rotten wood around the bottom of this thing, so we're gonna have to replace wood now. I cannot believe they didn't even put shingles under it. They let the water run right here and then onto their roof itself. That's not the way to put a pipe boot on, guys. Look at that. That is... They put the pipe boot down and then just put shingles around it. And they didn't replace, look at this. They didn't even replace these things. Oh, look at that. No nails. No, they nailed it way over there.
Yeah.
Ain't no telling where the nails are on this roof, Paul.
No,
They're high.
Yep.
No nails at all. Way the heck over there.
Yeah.
Look at the gap in that shingle right there.
You got your shingle cover here.
Are you kidding me?
You know what I mean? Shingle covers here. That's
Oh
how much
God.
water you got.
And not even a nail.
Not a nail.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh,
my God. Oh, there's no nail in here either.
No.
They didn't nail the damn shingles.
No.
They missed end nailing. Are you kidding me?
Look at that now.
They probably did it all the way down the roof. No nails there. Oh my God.
They didn't skip. They didn't do a flat nail. Missing one here and missing one there.
Oh,
Yeah.
They did not nail the ends of her shingles, just the middle.
Some of them they ain't nailed the middle.
Oh my God.
Yeah, some of them they ain't nailed the middle, dude.
Oh my God.
Crazy, dude. This is a water leak there.
Of course it is, man. Are you kidding me? Whole roof's a water leak at this point.
Yeah. Let's see if this thing's covered
I bet they put that down and just caulked around it, Paul.
All right, let's find out.
We don't have so many shingles until we can get more, so.
I know.
You might have to get more shingle after looking at this.
Hot boy. No problem over there.
I bet they put this down and then shingled around it, Paul.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. Pull that nail back.
They didn't even replace the things. Look at that. These are gross.
Run the shingles all the way up.
Ran that shingle all the way up to this. You know water's running right under and all around it.
Yep.
That's terrible.
Look, I didn't have to pull it nail out.
Probably rotten plywood up here, Paul.
I grabbed it from the top, dude.
He's saying there's probably rotten plywood up here. I don't know what the hell's going on.
I wish I knew the name of people who done this.
I know. I wish I knew the name of them too, Paul.
This is terrible. I'll put them on blast.
I would blast them. Maybe we'll find out. See if we can find out. My word. Stuck together, so I caught the crap out of it.
Anybody did.
We didn't nail any end tabs. Be careful with these shingles, because
Yeah, I
look
know.
at it.
Wait a minute, I know.
See, that thing's supposed to come out. It's under it. Yeah, see this should be over the top of this shingle right here, and it's not.
That one there when you're holding it. And right there when you're holding.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at it.
Rust.
Unbelievable.
Isn't that the same way?
Huh?
Rust.
I know. They're leaking. Huh?
Let me go inside.
It's terrible. I hate that when people do this to people.
Yeah, dude. Uncalled.
Yeah, doesn't make any sense. So these people still paid good money. They just didn't pay what I would have charged them. I mean, so somebody kind of give them a cheap roof for a cheap price. I don't know. Let me go down and pull that up. Unbelievable. This is very sad to see this. Well, we got to try to make it not leak.
Oh, I will. You know that about that.
Look at that. Crappy. I just swear I think they took the felt paper, put it on, and then nailed these boots down,
Yep.
and then ran shingles around it.
Yep.
That's what I think they did, Paul. Instead of running the shingles, then run this up on top of the shingles, and then keep going. I'm telling you, that's what we're going to find out.
Yeah.
I can just tell by looking at it. That's what we're going to find out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So I would say this is one of the worst ones I've seen.
Yeah, you don't do like this, do you?
What? What in the world? Where's the flange? Under the felt paper? Are you kidding me right now?
Nope.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
What a joke. They put the pipes on and then ran felt paper around them.
Oh, they even cooked all the holes. Already been holes.
They didn't even take off the. Probably their. No, they might have went over the. I bet they went over rotten wood, everywhere.
No, they cooked up the holes.
I know, but I'm telling you that anywhere with this, you can see the water. Yeah, she told me that these all leak. All the pipe boots leak, all the vents leak.
I see why.
Yeah. Kidding me?
Oh, yeah.
Look how wet that is. Oh my word. Look, brand new nails already rusted off.
Yep.
Are you kidding me? What is wrong with people? They literally didn't remove the old felt on the house. There it is. That's the old felt under there. They nailed these things over the top of the felt and then ran shingles around it. Oh, that makes me sick. I don't understand.
That's what you get. Water leak.
Oh yeah, she rusted. God, Paul. Well, we gotta take them all off, figure it out.
Yeah.
And look what they did with a ridge. They had 6 pieces of ridge all the way from down there.
12 foot.
Right? Look, there is a space for it, so there actually is space for that. There's an attic in this thing.
Yep.
But they only cut out 1, 2, they cut out 3 feet. They ran the ridge vent all the way down here without cutting it out. That's insanity.
That's it. That's who it was.
I would love to know who did this. What a terrible job, Paul. So we got to put ridge vent back because it needs ventilation on this particular house. And, look what they did. Kidding me? So we popped off 3 pieces, I think, over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. This is like flabbergasting wrong. Just flabbergasting. Don't even know how to explain it. And they didn't cut it out down here at all. Golly, I don't know how these bond lines got so tight here and then so loose here. The bond lines are terrible. Really what they need is a roof. A whole new roof. I'm guessing they left rotten wood under this. I'm just guessing, but just scary. Look at that. I don't understand how people get jobs like this. They nailed that down on top of the felt paper and then just ran shingles around it. And they did the same thing with these. So now we got rotten wood and all kinds of crap going on. Look, they didn't run their bond lines over here properly. Unbelievable. They've got two bond lines running straight together. Right here. And they got a starter strip here with felt paper running over that shingle there. He's a crow. So all these, they didn't use starter strips, so there's no sticky edge down here to hold that down, so we're gonna have to seal them down. They didn't use starter strips on the bottom at all, so we have to seal them down. All the edges, all they used was a shingle flipped upside down, which is not the right way to go. Look at that.
Water inside.
Why is it so wet inside?
Because the holes that can't breathe. Because these holes up there.
Oh yeah, it can't breathe. Of course not. It's soaking wet in there.
Water got through somewhere.
Is it a dryer vent or something? Bathroom vent.
Bathroom, okay.
Foot vent. And so,
Here we got water all right.
oh yeah.
Didn't clean the roof
They
off.
fix this felt.
Didn't clean the roof off.
No, they didn't. They would have fixed the felt and everything.
Hurry, clean it up.
Because that's all a mess.
Yep. Go look at this bit.
But yeah, they sealed it off. It couldn't breathe anymore, so it just all closed off. Could not breathe.
I can see it better.
Yeah, they sealed up all the vent holes in these things. They vented on the sides, but
Every one of them.
yeah, and they didn't. I feel bad for these people because they just took a hit on this roofing crew.
That valley over here in the top.
Valley.
Very top. On this side.
Oh, your side over here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at there.
Now you see it?
Missing shingle. They didn't even put the shingle in there. The hell, Paul?
Huh?
Missing whole shingle.
Where's water with that?
Yeah, right there. Doesn't even have a shingle there.